Let's see how to use arithmetic expression in assignment statements. So we have this code here which has all the arithmetic expressions. We haven't used any variables to store the value of the expressions. Apart from the variables used to hold the original values. So we have two variables here, x and y, which hold the value 6 and 2. They are the operands on which we are going to do all of these operations. First, let's do addition. We write a variable add. Add is equal to x plus y, and we can write addition, and instead of this we can just write add. So the variable add gets assigned the value x plus y. So Python computes whatever the value of x plus y is and assigns that value to add. Similarly, for subtraction, we will write a variable sub and write x minus y, and here we'll write the variable sub. Similarly, in multiplication, we'll write mul is equal to x multiplied by y, and the value of multiplication will be stored in the variable mul. Now for division, we can use two. Now for the float division, I'll use the variable f underscore div. F underscore div is equal to x slash y. So here we just write f underscore div, and here we'll write int I and then div. So it shows integer div here. And it is x slash slash y. Next is modulus. So we write the mod is equal to x percent sign and y. Instead of this, we write mod. Now as you can see, we have replaced all the expressions in the print statement with variables. So this is how we have assigned the expressions to variables in using assignment statements in Python. And here we get all the values. Yes, all of these are correct. That concludes how we store expressions in variables.